Jibby is a platform for making custom environment for your private and professional projects. Everything you do is a series of small and large projects. Each project is an individual, an item. It can hold project children or branches that further hold diverse information. Jibby guides and helps arranging those diverse information your way. A quality management system can be anything from a simple procedure for a simple operation to complex and diverse procedures behind management of large operations. Let's have a look at a typical simple quality management system for a contractor. Firstly, keep track of the operating environment, such as regulations and operating requirements. Secondly, store information about yourself and facts about how you operate, including procedures and ways to do things. And finally, log information about your operation, what is actually happening, communication, meeting notes, influencing contacts, decisions made, and actions taken. Jibby provides a framework for basic quality management system that we will use to show you how to make your own system quickly and efficiently. One of the frameworks is called Jibby Force, Quality Management System Basics. Select Jibby Force top level item and press the Copy button in column B. Choose to copy children and edit the result after copy, so click Copy. In the dialog, give your new quality management system a name, say Contractor Joe QMS. Now, Contractor Joe appears as a project in column A. Click on Contractor Joe. Then you see a structure exactly the same as in Jibby Force, but now you are the owner of that hierarchy and can do whatever you want to adapt to your operation. The first branch is called Background Information. You can change the text to Contractor Joe QMS, Background Information, using the Item Editor. Within Background Information, you store supporting information about the operating environment. Keep regulations and information from authorities such as obligatory procedures. You can also keep forms here for both internal and external inspections, for projects and operation, and make samples of contact forms for various situations available directly from the system. Note that once this branch has been thoroughly populated, updates should be implemented following regular internal system inspections. Branch number 2 is what we call the New Project Original. As Jibby Force is specifically made for contractors handling diverse projects, the New Project Original serves as a framework for common information identical to all projects. Now, let's start making monumental projects. Select the Project Original and click the Copy button. Select Contractor Joe as the destination folder by clicking once. Copy child items and open for editing. This is Joe's first project in 2018 and gets the number CJ18001C. The name is Reykjavik Indoor Ski Hall. Note that the letter C stands for the type of responsibility. Now we have our first project and can start populating the project with data. For clarity, let's place the rendering video for the project in the first project item. In the contract branch, we place all contract attachments related to the project. That may be contracts for land, owner-contractor relationships, community contracts, or any other legally valid agreements. In the second branch, we place all declarations of responsibility, necessary permits acquired, and licenses for operation on that particular land. The third branch holds contact information gathered during the lifetime of the project. Those can be names of personnel holding responsibility or those actually doing the job but do not hold responsibility. The purpose of this branch is to keep detailed contact information and the roles in one place within the project. If changes are made, add comments so that the contact history can be reviewed later. Meeting minutes. Notes and decisions is likely the most important branch in a project. Meetings are important, but they do not count for much if they're not properly logged and used as reference for decisions made. Use the text from meeting minutes or notes to create checklists. Assign the checklists to those who are responsible for action. Each participant gets his own list of actions. Checklists can be assigned to multiple users. The meeting notes are shown as not done until all checklists are checked. This helps to keep track of decisions made throughout the project. Nothing is forgotten and everyone knows their role and responsibility. Branch number 5 holds all construction and design documents. Contractors have access to this section. Only valid building documents should be placed in this branch. The project schedule resides in branch 6. This can be used as a macro or micro schedule. You can also keep here copies of schedules that are made in other applications, such as Excel or Microsoft Project. The Gantt features of Jibby can help you generate an overall schedule with comments and valuable information for each milestone in the project quickly and efficiently. The remaining sections are all important for the operation and closure of a project. They are: number 7, the inspections, both external and internal, including the corrective actions taken. Number 8, the declarations of finished work made by each professional responsible for his trade. This section also holds declarations of mutual conformity given by the suppliers and producers of building materials. Number 9, your health and safety plans, documents used during the construction process, safety procedures or references to safety handbook. For larger projects, safety handbook should be part of section 9. Number 10, the handling of inquiries made by contractors or other stakeholders. All inquiries must be logged here, given a number and marked as done when properly answered. All answers and comments of importance must be kept within each inquiry as a comment, attachment, checklist, or description. And finally, number 11, the handbook. All contractors must provide a handbook when delivering a project. If you use the Jibby system and this approach for all valid project data, you already have a proper handbook for the project. This handbook develops automatically with the project, gathers the history and data on building materials, as well as personnel responsible for each building part. A quality management system applied in this way will in the end save time and money during the whole construction process, because nothing is forgotten, decisions are kept, and responsible personnel made accountable for delivering action points. For any system to work properly, all stakeholders must actively participate. This applies to Jibby as well. Make this your operating environment. If it does not happen here, it did not happen at all. This does not mean you cannot use other systems. You simply must use Jibby for the end results, decisions made, relevant meetings, valid drawings, and assignment of tasks. Good luck with your projects. Live, prosper, and produce.